Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely.
You took my heart and my keys and my vision. You took my heart and my sleep and decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty.
You see me do me dirty, tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty, when you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please, baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the truth. I hope that you see the truth. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. It's me, I feel work. It's me, do me da. Tell me about that work.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow them up.
Now, we are going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
Attention like it's gotta sit though. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
It's me, I feel work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that work. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Work. You see me, I feel work. You see me do me dirty. You make all like me,
Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my vision. You took my heart and my sleep and decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me.
This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
Nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work it to me, I be work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please, baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the truth. I hope that you see the truth.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Yeah, okay, you need
Apply a second layer of gel polish.
we
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done.
Now, apply a thin layer of foil transfer.
Way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling.
We are going to be using nail foils for our simple nail art design.
You could pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
It's me, I feel work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that work. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the crisis. Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in the.
Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
Touch me in the crisis.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
You lie. to say that you know you really do me.
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Wish I could take it all back.
The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
Oh, how could you be so cold? Right to my face, oh, yeah. How could you do that? Boy, you did me bad, bad. Gave you all I had. How could you turn your back and walk out on me? I gave you everything, yeah. Decisions you made. Did you ever think of me? Guess it's too late. 'Cause now you say you wanna be free.
Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
Baby, won't mean anything. All the riches, baby, don't bring what your love can bring. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. Don't need no other, baby. Nothing is better than gold, and I know. If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl. Don't make it test me, impress me. My cash flow would never ever end. 'Cause I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl.
Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what? Come together.
Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary nails. Intend to learn DIY how to making money online all in one video.